Hi everyone, it's Jess from Ginger Lemon Honey Yoga. This is just a 15-minute cheeky little break, especially when you're working at home, just to stretch everything out a little bit, stretch out the wrists, really just open up the heart, the shoulders, just give you a little bit of energy, and just to finish with a super quick, short, focused meditation, just so you can get on with your day and feel nice and bright, creative with new ideas. So when you're ready, finding your lovely comfortable seat and we'll get started. So we'll start with some nice neck rolls, just waking up the neck, take a little break. So you exhale, we're going to take the chin towards the chest. Inhale, right ear to right shoulder, easing the head back. Left ear to left shoulder, chin to chest. And just to keep going like this. Inhaling up and back. And exhaling down. No need to rush through this. The neck's pretty sensitive, so just take it nice and slow, feeling into the sensations. When you're ready, just take that in the opposite direction. Just 2 more head rolls. Just feel into any clicking or icky bits. I've certainly got a lot of clickiness today. And when you feel ready, just making your way back to center. As you exhale, looking over that right shoulder. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Exhale, take your chin towards your chest. Inhale, rolling the head back, chin to the sky. Exhale, chin to chest. Inhaling, chin to sky. One more. And you're ready, going back to center. We'll take some nice hand stretches and wrist stretches. You've been typing away, texting away, emailing, messaging everyone back on the phone. So we'll just stretch out those wrists, give them a little bit of extra love. So I want you to take your hands and arms out in front of you. You're going to flip the right palm over and take hold of the fingertips with the left hand. Just gently guiding those fingers back towards your forearm. Soften the shoulders down your back. Feel into the stretch. Breathing deep for 3, 2, and 1. We'll take it the opposite direction. This time taking the palm forward, fingers up to the sky. And just gently guiding the fingers back towards our arm. Again, soften those shoulders. Keep reaching them back for 3, 2, and 1. On your next exhale, release. Take to the opposite side. This time taking the fingers again down towards the arm. Feel the stretch through the wrist. Where else can you feel the sensations? For 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, I'm going to take the opposite direction. Guiding those fingers back towards your arm. Breathing nice and deep. 3, 2, and 1. Slowly releasing. I want you to make a fist of your hands, taking the thumb on the inside. So you're going to inhale out, exhale in. Inhale out, exhale in. Inhale out, exhale in. There's going to be a few more of those. So we're releasing any tension. Maybe you can speed it up, going faster and faster. For 3, 2, and 1. Release. Maybe taking hold of one of your wrists. Again, taking that fist and just taking some nice wrist rolls. Feeling into any clicks again. And taking that in the opposite direction. No rush, nice and slow. I'm super clicky. Feels good. And we'll take it to the other side. Take hold of the opposite wrist and make a fist with the thumb inside. And taking some nice wrist rolls. Just notice if this side feels different to the other. And take it the opposite direction. So you're working out those tech wrists. And you're ready. Releasing the arms by your sides. Give yourself a little shoulder shake to release any tension there. And then as you inhale, just sweep the arms all the way up. Taking hold of that left wrist with your right fingertips. And your next inhale, you're going to reach up towards the sky. Exhale, we're going to bend over to the right. You can stay here, or maybe you want to take your right arm, cross it around your body, taking hold of the edge of the seat. Just reach that top arm a little bit further, deepening into the stretch. For 3, 2, roll that top left shoulder back. And 1, as you inhale, release and reach back up towards the ceiling. Taking hold of the opposite wrist. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, let's fold to the left. Feel the stretch on the right side of the body. Staying here, or maybe crossing the left arm over, taking hold of that chair or seat. Just allowing yourself to deepen into this stretch. Keep reaching those top fingertips away. For 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, reach back up to the sky. So as we exhale, we're going to take our hands behind us and we're going to interlace our fingers behind our backs like this. You can turn on the chair like this if you need some extra room, or maybe you can stay here. So I want you to separate your feet about hip width apart. And as you exhale, you're going to fold forward. Bring your torso down onto your thighs. Maybe you can go further in between them. But the main aim here is to squeeze those shoulder blades together. Now let your head hang heavy. Imagine you're reaching your knuckles over your head towards the ground. Just want you to take 3 more yummy breaths here. Really breathing into your shoulders. Last breath. Next inhale, slowly making your way back up. Ooh, beautiful. We'll take that in the opposite direction. We're going to open the heart here. So you can either keep your fingers interlaced and you want to take them over the top of your chair, maybe interlace them behind the chair and open your heart, squeezing the shoulder blades together like this. If that doesn't feel comfortable, then we'll take it to the side, interlacing the fingers, rolling the shoulders back and down, reaching the knuckles towards the earth, opening up the heart and dropping the head back. Either one that feels better for you. Staying here for 3 breaths. Next inhale, coming back to center, releasing the hands, turning back to face the front. I want you to bring your right knee up in towards your chest and just give it a nice squeeze for a moment, and then taking that right ankle on top of the left knee. We're going to flex into that foot. If you want a bit of extra help, maybe you can take your left hand and press into the right sole of the foot. As you inhale, lengthen the spine. As you exhale, you're going to hinge at the hips, folding forward. Get a nice outer hip stretch, outer glute stretch here. And you're going to where feels comfortable for you. And taking 3 breaths. And every exhale, just softening that little bit more. Your next inhale, slowly rise back up. One more time, give that knee a hug into the chest and take it back down to the earth. Bring the left knee up, give it a nice squeeze and a bit of love. And we're going to take that ankle over the top of the knee. Again, flexing into this left foot, maybe pressing the right hand into it. Take a deep inhale to lengthen the spine. Exhale, hinge at the hips and fold forward. Just feel into any sensations you feel here. And breathe nice and deep for 3 breaths. Your inhale, feel the spine lengthen. And on your exhale, allow yourself to sink a little bit more. And on your next inhale, rising back up to center. Once again, hug that knee into your chest, give it a nice hug. And exhale, placing it back down. And just squiggling your bum a little bit. Make sure you find a nice and comfortable seat. If you're feeling a little bit braver, maybe you want to bring your feet up onto your chair. A nice easy pose. And just before we end our practice and you go back to work, we'll do a quick little focus meditation. So as you take a deep inhale, feel the spine lengthen. Exhale to soften. Just closing down your eyes. I just want you to inwardly gaze to your third eye center, that space between your eyebrows. I'm going to breathe into it. Just taking 5 deep breaths. Really focusing your attention at that brow center. Just slowing everything down. Slowing your brain waves down. Giving yourself the ability to focus. Letting go of any stress and tension. 2 more breaths. Keep inwardly gazing at that brow center. When you're ready, slowly and gently open your eyes. And when you're ready, it's back after work. I hope this helped to energize you guys. Namaste.